This is the beginner tutorial on how to stream to Facebook using OBS Studio. So if you want to stream your church services online, this video is for you. So let's get started. We're going to be using OBS Studio for this tutorial. So we're going to download OBS Studio. Let's head into our browser and search for OBS Studio. So click on the first link, then select your operating system. I'm using a Windows here, and as you can see, it's downloading. So once the download is done, you can see here I have two downloaded already. So just run the file to install it, and once you've installed it, you open up the software, and this is what you get. But you get it with a blank screen. I'm recording my screen with OBS Studio. That's what you can see. But when you have this screen, you come down here to studio mode and toggle it on, so you can have this two windows. So this is your preview and this is your program. So live stream on Facebook, we have to get the stream key from our Facebook account. Let's head over to the browser. Yeah, let me go back. Select live video, and here you select go live. Then here it's going to ask you if you want to use your webcam or a streaming software. Since we're using OBS Studio, we're going to go with the streaming software, and you can see the stream key here. So you just have to copy this. Copy it to head over to OBS Studio. Go to settings, and where it says stream, you're going to select Facebook Live. Then paste the stream key there. Then click on apply. Click on OK. So what happened now? Any video we have on the program scene, once we click on start streaming, it's going to send the feed over to our Facebook account. But before that, we have to configure some things in the settings. You can also access the settings from the controls panel here. Click on settings. We're going to open up this. We're going to go to video first. So make sure your base resolution is set to 1920 by 1080p. If your laptop screen doesn't support 1080p, you can set it to 720. Then once that is done, you come to output. Here we're going to set some things in this tab. Right here, our video bitrate is currently 6000. But before we stream in 6000, we have to check if our internet speed supports us streaming in 6000 kilobytes per second. So we're going to check our internet speed. Go to your browser, and I have this internet speed here. Let me reload the page and let me run speed test. So we're looking for the upload speed, not download speed, and the internet speed test is done. We have 41.9 Mbps upload. So what that means is we have enough internet speed to stream in 6000 kilobytes. But here's the calculation. 41.9 megabytes per second is equal to 40,000 or 41,000 kilobytes per second. This is how it works. When you want to stream 1000 kilobytes per second, it equals to 1 megabytes per second. So if you're going to stream in 6000 kilobytes per second, it means that we are streaming in 6 megabytes per second. So 6000 kilobytes is equal to 6 megabytes. But here is the rule of thumb. When streaming, you have to divide your internet speed by 2. So for instance, we have 41.9, we have to divide it by 2, which will give us 20.5 thereabouts. 20.5 thereabouts. So it means that we can stream, the max bitrate you can stream in is 20,000 kilobytes per second as a rule of thumb. So if your internet speed drops, your stream is unaffected. But we're not going to be streaming in 20,000 kilobytes because Facebook doesn't accept that amount of bitrate or that amount of data. I think the recommended is about 20,000. So we can't do the recommended, we have to do much lower. So 6,000 kilobytes is fine. So let's go to our OBS Studio. I'm going to select this and just make it 6,000. Okay. Then the video encoder software, then encoder presets. Let's set it to default very fast. And after that is done, you click on apply and click on OK. So when we click on start streaming, it's going to connect to Facebook to send over the data for streaming. So start streaming. It started streaming already, as you can see it's here. So let's go over to our Facebook. You can see we have our screen here. We have our screen here. And I've streaming the screen on Facebook already, and you can see it here. We have the video here. So I connected this camera. So let me add it here. Let me add it here. I'm going to add a video capture device. Okay. And I'm going to select Iron webcam. Yeah, so the video is there and click on OK. So I'm just going to make sure it's down here, or just make it full screen to cover the entire video, or maybe half screen so you can still see the other part of the screen. So when we hit on transition, when we head over to Facebook, we can see everything here. So you can actually live stream your church services using this method. I have a video where I shared how to connect your phone to your laptop to live stream. The link is going to be pinned in the comment. So once that is done, you set up your live video, including a topic and the description, and then you can now go live here. You can now go live. So let me just quickly do that. Let me just see learning. Then here we need to put 2.0 to save. So here you can see go live is now enabled. So once I click on go live now, everybody that is on my that follows me or my friend is going to see the video. I'm not going to go live. Let me just. So that is how you live stream to Facebook. Try this in your church media team and let me know how it went for you. So comment, like this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.